So many people ask about professional tax payment as an employer. So if you want to do that, first you have to go to Google and type here PT Kar website. PT Kar website. Now you have to go to first one, this one, pt.kar.nic.in. Just enter here. Now this website will come. Now many people get confused because earlier we have seen this website and this website is old one. For self-employment payment, you have to go to this new website only. Okay. So this website I am closing it. I have just opened it for your reference. You don't need to go to this website. Now you have to go to this new enrollment option. Here I am clicking. Now there are two options. First is self-employed, second is GST enrolled. If you have GST number, then you have to go for GST enrolled, otherwise self-employed professional. For your reference, if you go for self-employed professional, here you have to just enter your PAN number and name as on PAN, then verify it and then create your login. However, in our case, we are having GST number. So you go for GST enrolled taxpayer. Now you enter the GSTIN. So now I have entered GSTIN number here and now I am going for get details. Once I enter the GSTIN number, I'll get into this page where they'll be telling me what is the GSTIN of the taxpayer and what is legal name. If it is right, I'll just send OTP in the registered number. The number is GST registered mobile number. Here they'll send the OTP. I'll just click it. Now I have to enter the OTP. So now I have entered OTP details. Now I have to click verify OTP. Let's say if it has not expired yet. Now once the OTP has been verified, you have to just enter password here. New password you have to create basically. So I am creating password here. I hope you are just closing your eyes. So now I have submitted it. So once you will enter your password here, now it will say successfully registered. Okay. Now I'll just close it and I'll log in from the same details. So now you will come here to the enrollment login option. Here you will click, not here employer login, because this is used for old website. This will take you to old website for professional tax returns and all. But now for paying self wala, you have to go to enrollment login here. Now I have to enter here my login details. Username would be my PAN number or GSTIN number and password would be what I have just created right now that I'll use for password. So now I have to just, once I have entered my GSTIN number and the password, I'll log in here. Now this will take me to the website dashboard. So now I have come to this website and the website says please update your profile details. I'll close it. I'll just update my profile first. Update my profile. Once I'll update my profile, then I'll make payment for PT. Once you have entered here, now the profile is here. Here GSTIN number and trade name is there of the company, which you have to see if it is right or not. Then business status, in our case it's private limited company, so we have selected that. Class of person, here you have to enter the category of the person under which you are liable. In our case it's a company, so we have selected that. You may select other cases also as per your case. In our case it's company. Now date of birth, here we have entered date of incorporation of company. Date of commencement, it is auto phased it. These details are taken as per GSTRC. We are not changing it. Address details you have to enter it, and address details we have entered as per GST. Now number of other places of business or work. Here you have to enter if you have got any other branches or so, then you have to enter details of these things like how many branches are there. In our case it's 0, so we have entered 0. Exemption, in case there is exemption, then you have to enter it. In our case it's not applicable. Now address, exemption and pin code and district and jurisdiction, these all things are auto fetched. We are not allowed to change it and we are not changing it. Next is contact details, mobile number and email ID. It is also auto populated. It has been collected from the GST portal. We are saying OK and we are just clicking on next. Now it has taken me to the page of director or partner details, where we have to enter details of partners or the directors. In our case it's company, so director details we have to enter. Already there are 3 directors whose details are auto fetched as per the details fed earlier. So I'll just say next. If details are not accurate or if there are some changes, you can change it, and then it's next. One second, this website is slow. Yeah, because my internet is fast, this website is slow only. Now it is asking me for professional text profile entry confirmation. Here they are showing me all the details what I have entered earlier, and they are asking me to confirm it. I have checked it, everything is fine, and now I am saying just save it. If it's not correct, you have to select back and you can edit it. Once your profile is updated, you have to close this. Now you have to go for return and payment option here, and here you'll do make PPT payment. So now I have entered here, and here is my GSTIN number. This is right, and I have to just select the return period for which year. So now it is for 23-24 financial year. So I have selected that only. Now I have to just click on submit. Now we have to enter details about payment. So one second. So now this page is open. In this page we have got all the basic details, including number of additional places and the partners. In case you have got some partners or directors who are eligible for exemption, you can enter the detail here and claim the exemption. In our case, though we have got no one who is exempted specifically, but because our directors are getting remuneration and at that time we are paying professional tax, so here we won't pay professional tax on their behalf. We would just pay professional tax for the company, and professional tax for companies 2500 rupees. So we have just written here 2500. Demand of additional places, we have got no additional places, so here we have written 0. Interest and penalty, we are paying 0 because we are paying within time. It is 31st May. For this time they have extended it. So now it is total PT payable 2500. We have to just select make e-payment. Now we have selected it. So now we have come to Treasury Unified Gateway. Here we have to enter details. I hope you are just closing your eyes. Now I have entered all the details. Here I have selected net banking and SBI ePay aggregator. Now I have accepted all the things, and we'll select submit. So now this page is opened, and now we'll go for UPI in our case. You can select other methods also, and now we'll enter details. So here I have entered my UPI ID, and now you have to validate it first. So first I'll just click here. Once it is validated, you can write down your GSTIN number here in case you want ITC for that. This is optional, not compulsory. Now you can select pay now. Now I just have to open my UPI app, and there I have to approve it. So once the payment is made, now you just have to go to this print certificate option. In case there is any transaction failure and the amount has been debited, you can just go to this option verify e-payment, and here you will get transaction details. There you just have to click e-verify and then it will be verified. Now you will come to print certificate option. Once you have entered here, you just have to print it. There are certain other options also. If you want, just you can explore it. In case you receive some notice and reply, here it is, MIS reports and verification of e-payment is here. Okay, I hope it has helped you. In case you are having any query or consultation, you can just WhatsApp me. My number, you can get it from the comment section or the description. Thank you.